Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. So what we can see here, this is the original charger brick with all of the specs, the supercharge. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable, SIM jack tool, and some paperwork like warranty card, quick start guide, and the safety guide. And also we got here the silicone protective case, one case in clear color. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.